Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we break down the products that shape your everyday life. Today, we're looking at the Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB50100 Silver, a sleek, compact blender designed to fit seamlessly into your on-the-go lifestyle. Whether you're preparing smoothies, flavored waters, or shakes, this portable powerhouse promises to deliver convenience with its compact design. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. This Magic Bullet blender is designed with portability in mind. Weighing just a few pounds and featuring a 16-ounce capacity, it's the ideal companion for people who need a quick blend during a busy day. It comes with an innovative infuser basket, which you can load up with fruits, herbs, or even vegetables to make refreshing flavored water or infusions on the go. The compact size is perfect for people with tight spaces or anyone who wants a portable option without compromising too much on performance. Let's talk specifications. The MBPB50100 is powered by a rechargeable battery, which is a game changer in the world of portable blenders. One full charge can power through 15 or more blending cycles, which is pretty impressive for a device of this size. In terms of design, it has a flip and sip lid, which ensures no spills when you're carrying it around. It also has a built-in handle, which makes it easier to take on hikes, to work, or even just from the kitchen to the gym. The blending jar itself is made from durable, BPA-free plastic, ensuring it's lightweight but sturdy enough for everyday use. Now let's talk about how it actually performs in real-world scenarios. When it comes to blending soft fruits like berries, bananas, and even yogurt, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender does a solid job. The blending power is surprisingly decent for a small device, but you'll need to make sure your ingredients are chopped into smaller pieces to get the best results. I tested it with frozen strawberries and a small handful of spinach, and it took a couple of tries to get a smooth consistency. It's certainly not going to replace your high-powered blender for heavy-duty tasks, but for light blending tasks like smoothies or flavored water, it holds its own. In terms of ease of use, this blender is straightforward to operate. Simply load up the ingredients, screw on the lid, and you're ready to blend. The flip and sip lid design means you don't need to worry about extra cups or containers. You just flip open the lid, and your drink is ready to go. The handle is a nice touch as well, making it easy to carry and sip without fuss. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender is super convenient. It's lightweight, easy to store, and has a rechargeable battery that lasts through multiple blends. The flip and sip lid is a nice feature, especially when you're in a rush and need to drink your creation on the go. Additionally, the infuser basket allows you to make flavored water with little effort, which is a great perk for health-conscious folks. However, it's not perfect. The small 16-ounce capacity means you'll need to refill if you want to make larger servings, which might be a deal-breaker for some. The blending power, while decent, isn't quite on par with more robust blenders, especially for harder ingredients like frozen fruits or ice. It struggles a bit with consistency if you're trying to make something thick, like a smoothie bowl, so keep that in mind. When it comes to value for money, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender sits in a budget-friendly category. It's not the most powerful blender out there, but it's priced accordingly. If you're looking for a portable blender for lighter, quick tasks, it's a solid choice. But if you need something that can handle tougher ingredients or larger batches, you may want to look at more expensive options. That said, for its intended purpose, quick smoothies, flavored waters, and on-the-go drinks, it's fairly priced. Let's quickly compare it to other portable blenders in this range. The NutriBullet Go, for instance, is a competitor in the portable blender market. It's similarly sized and priced, but it does offer a slightly higher wattage for blending power, which means it may perform a bit better on tougher ingredients. However, the Magic Bullet has the edge when it comes to portability, with its handle and flip and sip lid. It's a matter of priorities. If you're looking for a lightweight, portable solution, the Magic Bullet is the way to go. But if blending power is your main concern, you might want to check out some of its competitors. Build quality is one area where the Magic Bullet Portable Blender really shines. The materials feel durable enough for daily use, with its plastic body holding up well to bumps and drops. I haven't encountered any cracking or issues, and the rechargeable battery seems to be holding up well, lasting for multiple cycles without fading in power. While long-term durability can only be judged over time, based on the quality of materials, I expect this to last for a while if treated properly. Customer support, unfortunately, hasn't been something I needed to test with this product yet. However, Magic Bullet has a solid reputation for customer service, and they are generally responsive if you encounter any issues. The warranty information and details are easy to find, and they seem to stand behind their products, which is a nice bonus for peace of mind. To sum up, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB50100 Silver offers a good balance of performance and convenience. While it's not the most powerful blender out there, it's an excellent choice for those looking for a compact, on-the-go blending solution. It's perfect for smoothies, flavored water, and other light blending tasks. If you're in the market for a portable blender and you prioritize portability and ease of use over heavy-duty blending, this product is a solid pick. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, you'll find the link in the comments box. Let us know if you've tried it or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep blending, keep sipping, and keep enjoying life. This is Reviews Inside TV, signing off.